everyone and welcome to this new video about PermissionsEx. So I've opened the permissions.yml file, and as you can see there are groups in here like owner, rookie, builder, moderator, overlord and test. So you can see the permissions here. You can copy and paste it from, for example, this website. It says permission, and then you copy and paste it and go back to your YML file and paste it in there. And if you cannot find the permissions for it, you can Google it. It's very easy to find for the more popular ones actually. As you can see, I have a rookie one, and these are the permissions. These are easy to find. You also have options, and default means that if you join the server, that it will be a default group, so you start as rookie. You also have prefix, and that says rookie in a color or something, and that was a prefix. This is actually the default, but I set it to false because it's not my default. Make sure you don't use this, because if you want to test your groups, you actually have all the permissions, so you can still break blocks and stuff. So make sure you don't do that. If you're an owner, make sure you put it in here, in your group here. In here, actually. So if you want to create a group, I do it in my CMD. So PEX group test to create. I'm not going to create it for real because I already have some groups, but you can use this command to create a group. And if you want to set it to your name, your name actually. So if you want to be in a group, you use PEX user Shaylee, that's my username. Group set owner, for example. This makes you go into that group. So if you do this, you will be their owner. You can also use PEX promote. I don't use that one actually. You can also remove players. You can also remove permissions, add permissions, but it's easier to add the permissions in your .yml file. So that is how you actually create one. And if you're not familiar with installing PermissionsEx, you can go and look for PermissionsEx on Google. Go to the website where you can download it, and you download your version. And if you download it, you go to plugins, and first to your server, go to plugins, put your jar in the plugins folder, then go back and go to the code.bat, actually start.bat or whatever you call it. So then, like this, you have the jar, but then it creates a folder in here, and then it says this, and then you can click on it, and then you can find your permissions. You can add permissions whenever you want, and if you added your permissions, you can do PEX reload, and then it says reloaded. I didn't save it right now, but save it before you do it, because you will lose your changes. So that is how you use PEX. I will probably make a new video for a bungee cord server, how to create one, and how to use other plugins and stuff like that. So I hope you've learned something from this. If you still have questions, you can comment. And I will explain it to you if I can. If I don't know, I don't know. And I always say Google is your best friend, so if you want to look for something, use Google, because Google knows everything. almost everything. So I hope you've learned from this, and I will see you later.